越来越多了，它爬进来了。下一队伍在哪？这个城里啊。啊，这是下。不要。真上车了！没搜到，谁能找着？找不着，哪俩个存景呢？我这前面啥情况？马上没力气了，时间长。这家，打死俩。现在应该离这个任务不远。这个呢？听着，慢慢过去。有一回上安利思虑，在那。
You came! You finally came!
Okay.
Thank you, you lovely man.
Calm down, miss.
Oh, come on, let's go. We ain't got a minute to lose. They killed her! They killed Miss Calhoun! All she wanted was a better lot for women, and they killed her, those pigs!
Who killed her?
I don't know. My cousins, probably, or Beau's. You met them. They're animals. Not even animals. Monsters. Monsters! If God had lost all his powers of imagination. Can you please take me to the train station? Beau will be waiting.
Beau, why couldn't he come and rescue you?
Well, if they saw me and him together, they'd lynch him and send me off to a nunnery. Or maybe they'd lynch us both. I ain't quite sure. They do so love hanging folk.
Where you heading?
Yes, sir.
Up to Boston.
Good. Yeah, I like you up there. Come on, let's go.
Of course.
前车站，走上去火车站。
I'm in your hands. Just get me to Rhodes Railway
这不
Station.
牛马石吗？
Okay, let's try and get you a train. those just waiting at the station in the hope you'll show up? Or I'll show up to help you show up?
He goes to there every day he can. Makes up some excuse or other. I said he would see me there one day soon, and today he will. God willing.
Well. If he's there, that's true love, all right.
I've hardly seen him since the rally. They watch me so carefully, and he's waited, or so his letters say. Our families won't let us out. And then all that business with Aunt Catherine and my cousins. You saw the house. And then Lee Gray and those boys killed. So much bloodshed. You'd think this could be a new beginning, but everyone left alive. They're even more angry.
Oh, maybe anger's a complicated thing to let go of.
Something good has to come out of this awful, awful feud.
That's what I've been hoping.
Bo and I have to be better. Our families were here for years and years. Sometimes I feel like we can't just leave death and pain and ruination behind us.
Plenty before you have. Plenty will again. But, yeah, as far as it goes, get out, don't look back, make something decent in your lives.
He's a good man, isn't he, Bo?
There are worse.
He's kind, and he's caring, and he's strong.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to laugh. He's a lot of things, but...
He's not strong like you, but strong enough to stand up to his family, to be different from folk. You don't know how hard that can be, to say something is wrong when everyone around you thinks it's right.
No, perhaps I don't. He is a good man, and he's lucky. You're both lucky to have each other.
This could be the best day of my life, or the worst. I can't bear not knowing which.
Hold on. It'll be clear soon enough.
There he is. Oh, it's him. Will you ride on the train with us a little, just to the first stop?
下
Fine.
一站。在这呢。要干什么？
Hey, one last
Oh.
drink. Bo, my sweet,
对
my best of
我有那个麻烦。
I'm hardly a man at all. But I love you, Penelope Braithwaite. Sir, how can we ever repay your kindness? Well, some of them jewels would do just fine.
Bo, Arthur's gonna join us. I think we need the support. Please,
I
could you
tried
buy a
to
ticket too,
kill.
Mr. Morgan? We can't
跳
change
钱你
the
都不
theme.
错。
Sure.
Thank you. We'll meet you on the platform.
How do you do, sir?
能啊。再买张票。
Hello. Can I have 3 tickets to Saint Denis, please, sir?
Yeah,
Of course. Oh, hello, sir. Hello,
Yeah,
Alden. I
thanks.
hope all is well. Not terribly, but good to see you.
哦，要
Excuse me, Alden.
上台费的。
Get on the train. Get your bags, miss. I got this. Come here. With pleasure, you got this.
看时间。
Come back here without giving you a whipping. We should have done this last time. Get on the train. Go your walk. There's only one. There's only one of you.
不，希望。
Hello, future.
Almost. All right, all done. That is quite a family you got there, son.
I know. Charming to the last. Then again, my uncle used to keep his own half-brother as a slave, so what do you expect? Good manners?
My uncle used to say things were better the way they were, when he could rape and kill with impunity, and he didn't have to work a day in his life.
Both our families. There's good people in this county, but our families bully them and drove most of them off, whites as well as blacks, all over this silly feud.
How delightful.
Oh, my lord.
哦，
This is my second cousin.
These goddamn cousins.
I think they found out about the jewels.
All right, keep your heads down. Deal with this. Jules,
大家。
you must have all the jewels in the state. The amount of your cousins here. Oh, man. What? She robbed her own family blind.
Look! Is that the driver? He's
上来了，这
abandoning
是。
us.
Hold tight, all right? Take a look up front.
What will you do?
I'll figure it out.
这一个私营吧。你这个是，这不是往上来的。好， 走吧。
Why have we stopped?
It's best you go on alone from here.
Miss Arthur, I didn't know you could drive a train.
Neither did I. But if I'm honest, it was kind of fun. And I didn't kill any of us. Well, I killed some of your relatives, but they would have killed all of us.
You are a gentleman, sir.
Oh, no, I ain't.
Yes, you are. Here, I ain't got much money, but these sapphires are worth a lot of money. Old
Not
family
sure.
heirloom.
That Braithwaite treasure.
肯定接受了，然后把你们开到往前跑车。
Thank you. Now, let's get you off to Boston before any more of your relatives show up.
That might be wise.
Hey, you there?
Yeah?
This couple is heading up north to the Boston line. They got money, they'll pay you on arrival. That work for you?
Yeah, sounds fine. Get on in.
Hey, you carry protection on a journey like this? I wouldn't be much of a stage driver if I didn't. Goes everywhere I do. Hey! Miss Braithwaite is going to hold on to this until arrival. On account of the treasure on your person.
I don't know how to thank you.
You're a fine man, sir.
Just get out of here. I'll leave.
火车们都留着吗？火车别走啊！耶，火车没走，火车没走，火车没走。可惜不要驾驶了，什么鬼呀？火车是没走，哎，他变成死物了。 我们把这里买张票，那回圣安列斯，
I'll be tended to you shortly. Can I pay your service?
上
Liberty
进
is worth every penny.
不多15块钱而已。
Try abiding the law. It ain't so bad. Oh, dear. Have you come down with the flu as well, sir?
什么时候
No. What are you talking about?
卖车票啊？哎呀，最近的啥？最近的马厩。正好在这里。最近的马厩买了马啥？马上吃的。 买点全身护理，再买点吃的。
Hello there. That horse doing all right? I'm happy to stable that for you.
先买吃的，
Don't you worry about me. Yep.
发现有流水的。啊？一个铁类还能买3个。马皮肤，护理化妆，
I can do that again.
漂亮。
Come back soon.
好，小白马精神焕发。回这个到邮局，看这火车还在。
understand this at all. Hey, over here.
What's the problem?
Problem? No, there's no problem. Quite the contrary. Well, there is a problem. For me, but not for you.
All right. I ain't got time for
No,
this.
wait. Give me a minute of your life. I might just change it forever. I'm sure you will have heard of me. Maximo Cristobal Valdespino, the renowned explorer.
Can't say I have.
There has been much written about me. I once had high tea with the Viceroy of India. I helped liberate South America. I climbed mountains and swam across seas. I have had many women. I've spent the last 3 months hunting treasure on the American frontier. Beautiful country. Reminds me a lot of Almeria. But tomorrow I set sail for the island of Shikoku in the Japanese archipelago in search of the legendary Tokushima sapphire.
Well, good for you.
No, hold on. You see this map here? It was made by the Jack Hole Gang. They rob banks all the way from here to California.
Yeah, I know who the Jack Hall gang are.
Oh, them you have heard of, but me? Huh. Well, rumor has it they buried gold somewhere in this area, but were killed before they could retrieve it. They created 2 maps to ensure it was well hidden. This is the first and should lead you to the second. You just need to follow the landmarks drawn here.
Me?
Yes! Unfortunately, I am out of time now, but I am prepared to sell it to you for the low price of $10. A trifling investment for a man such as you, given the potential returns. Well, $10 and it's yours. A very wise investment. I wish you the best of luck.
10美元，这不别走啊！
What are you doing?
10美元赚了。
Okay, the map is yours. Just take it and let me go.
So,
What is yours? This is not necessary.
啊，那人家好好反省，这个10美元。
Please, don't leave me like this.
well, I'll know where to find you.
草莽图，我们去看一场。看看草莽图在什么位置？
Let me go. And you can name your prices.
这上哪找去？上山，在悬崖下面。手上有提示吗？好像并没有。好吧，我们去推进任务去。接着上火车道。 然后
Got real bad nerves. I can't work. Can you give me some money?
来到马车票去。马车道。
Excuse me. Excuse me, but I need some money. I fought in the war. I fought for you.
Mr. Partner, can I get a ride?
So where are you going?
爱丽丝堡。
Can you take me to Annisburg, please?
Okay, just preparing you. We're in for a ride and a half. Yeah. Come on. I gotta get through here. Much obliged.
这是爱丽丝堡。
This is the place.
说这他也没水。
Here's your ride. See you around. Hey, Park, hold up. Whoa!
回来，
You're being robbed, so easy now.
Well, you're making a big mistake.
Second thoughts? I'll find someone richer.
我们我还想坐车呢。坐地方。圣丹尼斯，这不这，好错地方。哎，呀。
All right, arrived in one piece.
哎呀，
谢谢观看。剪辑小逆，拍摄小逆。最后别忘了点赞、关注、评论、收藏、投币。